Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you a simple way to get Claude AI Pro completely for free. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so even if you're new, you can follow along without any problems. The access to Claude AI Pro will be provided in the form of a special code, and I'll show you exactly how to get it and how to use it properly. During the process, it's important that you have a mobile phone, either iOS or Android, since some of the steps can only be completed on a mobile device. I'll explain everything clearly so you won't get confused at any point, and you'll be able to complete the whole process without any issues. I've tested this method myself, and it works perfectly as long as you follow each step carefully and don't skip anything. Now open your preferred browser and go to modfi.com. This site offers a wide range of modded apps, games, and free codes. Once the page loads, use the search bar to look for Claude Pro. When it appears in the results, select it to open a page with more detailed information about the access and how it works. On that page, you'll see a section explaining the process. The code you need will be shown there, but it's currently hidden by default. To reveal it, simply click on the Generate Code button. After clicking it, the system will begin generating your code. The process usually takes just 30 seconds, so you won't have to wait long. Just stay on the page and let it complete. If this is your first time using the platform, you'll be asked to complete a quick verification step. You'll be redirected to a separate page where you need to install a few free apps from the App Store or Play Store. A step-by-step guide is shown on the screen, making the process very easy to follow. Once verification is complete, code will appear, and you'll need to paste it into the designated place. That's everything you need to know. Thanks for staying until the end of the video. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more guides like this. If something didn't work or you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll try to help as best as I can. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.